We believe in the term Made in USA, stands for quality, strength, and craftsmanship.
We believe in the investment and finance of the American economy.
We believe in guaranteed safer and fair working conditions for our employees.
We believe in global labor and human rights.
We believe in protecting the health of our air and water.
We believe in decreasing the deficit.
We believe that sourcing out American-made materials support added jobs across the whole economy.
We believe in providing and guaranteeing jobs for our future generation.
We believe in ending the funding of exports.
We believe in recovering our independence by buying products made here in our home country.
We believe in the health of our customers.
We believe in reducing the carbon footprint from shipping overseas.
We believe in strengthening our economic standing domestically.
We believe in Dorris.